Articles. The words a, an, and the are called articles. They are used before a noun. A and an are indefinite articles, whereas the is the definite article. Let us try to understand their use carefully. We use a and an before countables in the singular number. For example, a book, a chair, a tree, an apple, an ant, an island. Here, the words book, chair, tree, apple, ant, island are all countables in the singular number. Children, we cannot say a milk, a strength, a tea, since milk, strength, and tea are not countables. Similarly, we cannot say an apples, an ants, a trees. Apples, ants, and trees are countables, but they are in the plural number. We use a before a countable in the singular number beginning with a consonant sound. For example, a banana, a lake, a song. We use an before a countable in the singular number beginning with a vowel sound. For example, an egg, an orange, an apple. Here you note that we have not said words beginning with a consonant or a vowel. We have said words beginning with a consonant sound or a vowel sound. So pronunciation is very important before placing a article. So if a word begins with a vowel but not a vowel sound, we use a before it. For example, a university. Here, university, the first letter U is pronounced as Y-O-O sound, and hence it begins with a consonant sound, so we use a before it. Similarly, a 1 rupee note. Again, 1, the sound comes is W, which is a consonant sound, so we use a before it. If some words begin with an unsounded H or a silent H, they take an with them. For example, an honest boy, an honorable person. In both these words, honest and honorable, the H is silent and the pronunciation comes of O, which is a vowel sound, hence we place an before them. In abbreviations, if consonants begin with a vowel sound, they take an with them. For example, an MA. Here, the consonant M is pronounced as EMM, so it begins with a vowel sound and we use an. Another example, a PhD. Here, the consonant P is pronounced as PEEP, so it begins with a consonant sound, so we use a before it. Let us understand the usage of the. We use the before a noun when we want to make it particular. For example, I have read the book you are talking of. Here, not any book but the book you are talking out. We are making the book particular. Another example, let us walk towards the front gate. Again, not just any gate but the front gate. We are making the gate particular and so we use article the before it. We use the with superlatives also. For example, the sweetest song, the most intelligent student. The is used with a common noun when that noun represents the whole class. For example, the dog is a faithful animal. The elephant has a remarkable memory. Here, the dog and elephant is representing the whole class of that kind. We use the with such nouns as earth, moon, sun, sky. These things are the only one of their kind, but they are not proper nouns. For example, we could see the moon in the sky. The earth revolves around the sun. The is used with the names of rivers. For example, the Ganga, the Mahanadi. With seas and oceans like the Arabian Sea, the Indian Ocean. With the names of mountain ranges as the Himalayas, the Alps. With the names of holy books like the Bible, the Mahabharata. With the names of trains, ships, aeroplanes like the Taj Express, the Kanishka. With the names of newspapers like the Indian Express, the Hindu. With the names of well-known buildings, for example, the Taj, the Gateway of India. With the names of countries if the name contains a common noun, like the United States of America, the United Kingdom. Here, states and kingdom are common nouns. With the names of directions like the north, the west. With the name of whole families like the Bhatiyas, the Mangeshkars. Articles are sometimes used before adjectives followed by nouns. For example, a beautiful dress, an intelligent boy.